We're going to review the truchef 5-piece chef starter kit, which includes knives and a peeler and a holder for it all. I have children with special needs and we wanted to teach them how to be independent and use cooking utensils, knives and so forth to prepare themselves meals. But at the same time we didn't want them to injure themselves. So this was one of the recommended things that we could buy. It looks like kiddie stuff, but it's not. Even though that head is plastic, it really does peel. The knives, even though they have that blue color, they really do cut. So these are not joke stuff. And I'm going to rate it from 1 to 5 as I show it to you. Those are real stainless steel, and the presentation of it is just okay. The box isn't anything special or what. I mean, that does have that look. The size is pretty good, fits really well in your hand. And even though I'm showing you putting my thumb on it, do not do this at home. They can cut, but it's safe enough that you shouldn't bleed. The price is just okay. The availability, you gotta order this online. You're not gonna pick this up from a store. And again, I'm showing you me putting my thumb on it, but you can buy the extra safety gloves if you want. Quality is very good. These are stainless steel, even though it looks like plastic. It's not. It's the real thing. So you need to be careful with it. If you've used this product, let me know in the comment section.